back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So this video is going to be my last video of this Durga Puja series that I was doing. As you guys can see, I'm just wearing this beautiful Kankari kurta from this brand SA Wardrobe. With me, such a beautiful piece. It's a hip length kurta and it's so pretty. So I just thought of doing a makeup tutorial. Actually, I think we all have that one white kurta that we are going to pair it with lal dupatta or any kind of other dupatta accessories and so many kind of things. So I just thought of doing a makeup look wearing this particular kurta from SA Wardrobe. That's pretty much it. Today's video is going to be that classic red lip glowing skin makeup look with lots of silver jewelries, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. I mentioned that I'm gonna do a glowing base, and for that first I am going to use this particular Milagro facial oil, and I just love this product. So I am just going to use it a little bit, not too much. And yes, if you have oily skin, you can definitely use this oil because it is very lightweight. It's not that thick oil that will just make your face look oily. I'm going to use this particular illuminator. This is a liquid illuminator from NYX, and I personally love this product. Take this much and I'm just going to focus it right over here. This beautiful glow, loving it totally. I'm going to use my primer from Lakme. This is the best primer if you want to have that glowy base, best primer for you. So I am just going to take this much and I am just going to use it right over here. I'm going to use my foundation. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Stick Foundation, and I am not going to take a lot, just this much. That's it. My Swiss Beauty concealer, and I am just going to use it right over here. This makeup tutorial is going to be a very light base makeup tutorial. I'm going to take my Colourpop No Filter powder and I am just going to set my face. Do my eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use this particular palette from Lakme. As you guys can see, I have so many beautiful brown beige kind of shades we can use to have that nude eye makeup look. So for that reason I'm going to use this particular palette, and I'm going to use this particular cool tone beige kind of a shade, and I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid just as a transition color. So as you guys can see, this shade looks very muddy and it looks very like a cool tone rose beige kind of a shade, and I need this shade for this nude eye makeup look. Then I'm gonna mix this shade right over here, which is like a pale orangish kind of a shade. I'm gonna take this coffee chocolate kind of a shade and I'm gonna mix both of them together. Same cool tone rose beige shade that I was using, and I'm just going to take the same brush and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyes just to make sure that everything blends in really well. Now I'm just going to use this particular silver gold, this particular silver shimmery kind of a shade, such a beautiful shade, and I'm just going to use it right over here, all over my inner corners. I just added my eyeliner and a false eyelash. You can go with mascara if you want. I just love this beautiful natural eyelash. And for my lower lash line, don't forget your lower lash line, guys. Lower lash line, I'm going to take this deeper chocolatey brown shade. So first I use this shade, then I'm going to use this particular shade. And I'm so happy how beautiful this actually turned out, and it's so simple as well. Now I am just going to use my bronzer, and for that I'm going to take my Absolute New York bronzer. My Color Bar blush, and I'm just going to apply it right over here. I'm going to take my LA Girls highlighter, and I'm just going to apply it right over here. So I'm going to apply this particular lipstick from Sugar, and this one is in the shade Drop Dead Red. And yeah guys, this is the finished look, and I paired it with some silver jewelry, and yeah, I'm in love with this particular kurta. I'm gonna post few pictures right over here so you guys can check it out. So there is an offer going on till Diwali, so you can just check out their page. Pretty much it. I hope you guys really love this particular look. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.